Right, so Mike, today we've got a very special little implement to our rig. Can you quickly take us through that?
Yeah, this is this down here is an original late 1960s Dallas Arbiter fuzz face. So that's exactly the same pedal that Jimi would have played. Yeah, completely rare to see an original one like that. So yeah, looking forward to hooking it up and seeing what it can do.
So what are the functionalities of it?
Well, it's pretty straightforward really. You've got a volume pedal and you've got a fuzz. The fuzz really adds the amount of distortion you'd like. So, for example, I take this all the way down. I switch it on. It's a pretty old pedal, as you can hear. Adding fuzz into a Marshall JTM 45. Jimi played pretty much 100 watt plexes, but again, original 1960s Celestion G12s in the cab, so that gets pretty close to it. And the guitar again is a 67 Strat, so these are really rare as well. They didn't make a lot of Strats in 67, so instantly recognisable is the Transition logo, which is different. Silver and thicker, and this lovely big headstock, which I love the look of, and a rosewood neck. So that's the kind of setup.